Dear friends, the preamble of the Indian Constitution says India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This is the settled position of the Indian Constitution. The apex court of the Constitutional Bench, as held in KESAVANANDA bharathi versus the state of Kerala in 1973, that the objectives specified in the preamble of the Constitution, which contains the basic structure of the Constitution, which cannot be amended in exercise of the power under Article 368 of the Constitution. The point here is that even if the Parliament thinks to change the preamble contents, it could not be done by the Parliament. So, it is inbuilt mechanism that the preamble of the Indian Constitution is a part and parcel of the Indian Constitution, and then it has been held even in 9 members Constitutional Bench of s.r.bommai. What is worrying the nation and the citizens of this country is this: the words secular and socialist were missing from the preamble in the copies of the Constitution given to the lawmakers on the opening day of the new Parliament building. But the Union Law Minister answers that the copies given to the members of the Parliament carried the original version of the preamble of the Constitution, and the words were added to it in Indian Constitutional Amendment in 1976. What is worrying is that the statement made by the Union Law Minister is deliberate, and it is an attempt to delete the words socialist and secular from the preamble of the Constitution once for all, reveals the original mindset and thinking of the RSS and the BJP. At the given point of time, I would like to draw the kind attention of the viewers that in the Constituent Assembly on December 3, 1948, Professor K.T. Shaw has held that the state in India, being secular, shall have no concern with any religion, creed, or profession of a faith, and shall observe an attitude of absolute neutrality in all matters relating to the religion of its citizens or other persons in the Union. We have claimed time and again the state India is a secular one. That the statement made by Professor K.T. Shaw on this matter is final, and all the Constituent Assembly members have agreed upon. But on 26th 2016, there was a debate in the Lok Sabha held, that is, the then Home Minister Rajnath Singh has asked for moratorium on the words secular and socialist from the preamble of the Constitution. It was vehemently opposed tooth and nail by the opposition parties. After stiff opposition from the opposition parties, the then Home Minister has agreed that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has not specifically inserted the word secular and socialist in the preamble of the Constitution, because it was inbuilt mechanism in the Constitution itself. There was no need to add secular and socialist in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. That was the position held by the then Union Minister Rajnath Singh. But time and again it is proved that India, our country, a secular country, by its action is tilting towards going to form a Hindu Rashtra nation in the country, by averting the minorities, Muslims, Christians and Dalits from its ethos of the Indian constitutions and the values of the democratic process that have included every section of the society in the Indian polity and democracy. But the actions of the BJP at this present given point of time is causing fear and apprehension among the citizens of this country and democratic loving people of this country. As citizens of this country, we must be vigilant in watching all these developments in the near future and maintain that the preamble of the Constitution, what it was already stated, is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic should be maintained at all costs by all the democratic loving people in India. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.